What's poppin', people? It's your boy Gannett and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing very well. We're almost coming out, not coming out of lockdown, but you guys know what I mean. You get what I'm saying? Schools are opening 8th of March, and I think non-essential shops are opening back on around 28th, 29th. You guys already know, your boy is hitting everything. Charity shops, the non-essential shops that are opening. I'm killing the game. Nike Outlook stores are opening as well, guys. Listen, listen, I am warmed up. I'm ready to go, fam. Big man thing. But today's video, I got some footage of me going to Tesco and Sainsbury, do some retail arbitrage with my family. And yes, my brothers are on it as well. I'm not gonna lie to you. I put them on. You know, they're seeing a little 222 profits. And they're like, oh, I want to do it as well. So I put them on. And now I've got my little minions working for me. Obviously, not like that, you get what I'm saying. But, you know, they want to start it as well. So I'm showing them how it's done and everything. So, you know, it's always good, you get what I'm saying. Always, you know, anything you do in life, you know, family always first, you get what I'm saying. So, for sure. So, my little brothers went with me to Tesco's. And then Sainsbury, I went on another day. I am trying my best to upload at least once a week. It is going well right now, I'm not gonna lie, but it's a little bit difficult. You get what I'm saying? I work full time, so it's hard, but I'm trying my best. I keep going to different stores, Tesco, Sainsbury, Asda's, B&M's, but I'm not finding anything. I don't know what it is it the lockdown? I don't know, but I am not finding no items to resell. Everything I've sold on Amazon has been online arbitrage. I literally just been doing online arbitrage, fam. Like retail arbitrage hasn't been doing me justice lately. So I guess, you know, you gotta adapt. We'll show you some of the clips. Let's go. I like that. I like that. Keep scanning. My little minion. Was it profitable?
I don't know what's going on.
I was selling it for $5.99. So that basically means they will always win the buy box. There's no other FBA office.
So you can't sell it?
No, we can if you undercut Amazon. You get me?
Yeah, but...
How much you getting? Yeah, so look, your net proceeds are already minus 40p.
Exactly, yeah. Even if you get it for free.
Yeah, you make a loss. So you're basically losing money.
I want to buy one.
So I'll scan this, L, scan this, L. What's the profit?
Amazon can sell it.
Take a calculator, okay. You might be able to get it. Sell it for 125. 90p. I don't think that. Leave it. The
But why not?
Because the profit is too small.
Yeah, but you just keep it in the house. If it sells, you just dash it in, isn't it?
Yeah, that's true. But there's also 20% VAT on top of it. So that fee, you just saw it.
20%
Like 20% VAT on top of that.
Yeah,
a lot of people don't know about this one here, but
I think like 70.
yeah, a lot of people don't know there's 20% VAT on top of that calculator. That doesn't show you. Was it profitable?
No, so...
No profits?
No profits.
Let's put that down ASAP, fam. Show us. Okay, cool. You scanned it. Let's click on it. So on Amazon, it's actually going for $12.98. It's not bad. This is what I mean with Samsung. Samsungs are very slow. How much Amazon selling it again for? Is it? $12.78. Just say 12.0. How do you go back on Samsung? Before I do that, guys, let's just set this one in.
I'm not recording, this is enough.
There's someone selling it for £9.89p, so it wouldn't make sense. Go back, let's go to the calculator. Come, watch out. If you get it for $2.45, say we sell it for $9.50, we still make £3.28p profit gets it, so it's not bad, but yeah, dated, so yeah, unlucky. item number 1 we got. They're very good for £1, so it's Fortnite and Pop. They're very popular, so you know, might as well get them. And we're back. For the people that want to know what cup this is, yeah. It says Mommy's Girl. No, but yeah, just a cup, you get what I'm saying? I'm not a mug. But yeah, so I went to 2 stores, Tesco's and Sainsbury. How can I describe it? Dead. They were both dead. Literally dead. I hate when this happens, fam. Like, I'm taking my time out to do retail arbitrage. Yes, ready, let's find some items, let's go. You guys already know I'm after my profits. And you don't find anything. Which is, it's part of the game, you get what I'm saying? Not every day you're gonna find items. We actually did find items. 1, 2, 3. Let me show you guys. They're all pop key rings. I'll show you individually. Number 1. This is the one you guys saw in a basket, innit? And I actually asked the person if they had any more of these. And they just checked behind where I got it from, on the left side. And then we found these 2. If you play Fortnite, you probably know who Fish Stick is. I used to play Fortnite back in the days. I'm not gonna lie, this is maybe, you know, one of my favorite characters. I'm not gonna lie to you, fam. He just looks funny. I know more, so I don't know, and I might keep them. I might resell them. There is some money to be made in these. But obviously, you guys know already, I'm trying to build my pop collection. Item number 2 is a loot llama. Because, you know, if you play Fortnite, the loot llama, obviously you get a loot llama. And number 3, which I actually think is sick, is Pop Avengers Hulk. I don't know how his head is bigger than his body, but it is what it is, fam. But yeah, these are the 3 items I got. It's okay. Sort of reselling online for like $9.99. I got them for £1 each, so it's not bad. It is bad. It's not that bad. I'll still make profit, but not profit like good profit. You get to like high margins in that. So okay. So I came back home upset. You guys already know, journey back home was upsetting, man. So thinking, yeah, I'm gonna make some money. Didn't make money at all, but this is the part, you know, of retail arbitrage. A lot of people like this kind of business model. Some people don't like it. Some people rather prefer, you know, doing wholesale, private labeling, which is 110%, like 10 times, like in terms of like time wise, is way better, because you're just buying 200 units of one product, sending it into Amazon, or even if you're doing it from home, you have it at your house. Once you have a sale, package it, send it. You know what I'm saying? So you got 200 units for the same, just chilling there, like my chargers, for example. Let me show you guys. So they actually have right here. Yeah, I got a lot still. Let me get another handful. Like I got like 50, 60 maybe. I don't know. When I hit like 30 charges, when I'm halfway down, I always reorder. This is the second batch I have to reorder actually. And that's the thing I wanted to get into. Wholesale. Your boy starting his wholesale journey. I really kind of started a wholesale journey. But with these charges, I've been selling charges for a long time, you get what I'm saying? And yeah, it's decent profits, but the market is overcrowded. Like, if you guys go on eBay or Amazon, like, it's very competitive. I wouldn't say it's saturated, maybe a little, but no, I've been selling my charges also. It's not really saturated, you get what I'm saying? But it's just very competitive, you get what I'm saying? And the people that spend the most on advertising on the platform eBay or Amazon would usually be in front of the eyes of the customer, most likely. You get what I'm saying? And me, I can't be affording to spend money on ads, as I'm selling my chargers for like very low price already. And to get your chargers in front of other buyers, you have to pay like, I think like £1.70. Imagine that biting into your profits. Like every time one person buys it, £1.70 minus, £1.70 minus, I barely any profits left. But the chargers is a nice little income that comes in nicely. And yeah, your boy's starting the wholesale thing. I've ordered 2 products from Alibaba. One is for Amazon and one is for eBay. But the other one I can also sell on eBay, you get what I'm saying? So I was thinking maybe half. Because the first one of the products, I'm not going to tell you, you guys got to understand, I can't be discussing the product, what is it, you get what I'm saying? But the first product, I ordered 200 units. And I'm thinking of sending 130 to Amazon. Then the other 70, just leave it here, chill it at my house, and just sell it on eBay, you get what I'm saying? The item is actually a small item relatively, so I can just ship it in a letter size. Cheap shipping as well, you get what I'm saying, which is the best. The profit margin is beautiful. Shipping, cheap, which is beautiful. The customer gets it, they're happy. So item number 2 was a bit more expensive than the first item, and I only got 20 just because I didn't want to spend that much all in one go, you get what I'm saying? I think I paid around, because I paid for like a couple of days ago, how much was it? Yeah, I paid £140. So the item is small, I'm not gonna lie to you, the item is small. The item is small. I only ordered 20 pieces. Just to test it out, you get what I'm saying? You do want to test it, you just don't want to go straight into the deep end straight away. Just order 200, 300 units and then you're stuck with it. So I ordered 20 units first. If those 20 sell, probably go up to, you know, 60, 70 and just keep going little by little. But this item here, unbelievable still. This item here, yeah, cool. I'm just going to let you guys know, I'm getting it for £5. I just below £5. And I'm selling it for 30, 35, 40 pounds. So the profit margin is unbelievable. You get what I'm saying? So if it bangs, I got a winner still, no cap. But you all, let's talk about eBay, yeah. I made a stupid mistake. Did cost me a little, you know, a little bit money. It's all cool though. You get what I'm saying? All a learning process. You get what I'm saying? We all go through mistakes. We just gotta, you know. It's not really L, it's a learning process. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people would usually take it as an L, but everything, in any mistakes I made, you know, throughout my journey, it's always a learning. You get a learning phase, just learn from it. So cool, yeah? I'm gonna give you guys the incident of what happened, yeah? Cool, yeah? These are the 2 items. A Predator board game and a gaming headset, yeah? So a customer ordered a gaming headset. Another customer ordered a Paddington, right? Okay? You guys are following along, yeah? So the person that I'm supposed to send the Paddington to received a headset, and the person that ordered the headset got a Paddington board game. I made a stupid error, a small error, got the boxes mixed up. I don't think I got the box mixed. I think I got the shipping label when I stick to him. When I got the shipping label wrong. It's all cool, you get what I'm saying, part of the journey, you get what I'm saying. They both messaged me on the same day. Like, literally, the first person was, I didn't get the item that I ordered. I got another item, I got a Paddington board game. Then the other person messaged me as well on the same day. I got a gaming headset. I didn't order a gaming headset. I ordered the Paddington. It's funny, fam. Obviously, there's nothing you could, you know, there's nothing you could do about it. It happened, you know, I just laughed it off. I was like, alright, listen, that's some stupid mistake. If I just double checked, I could have prevented all of this whole drama, bringing 3 people into the whole equation. But it's all cool. I messaged the person I received the Paddington board game. He was to me like, I'll send it back to you. Just send me a headset. And I told him as well, I'll send you another headset on top of that. You get what I'm saying? So he ordered one headset, he's getting another headset. You get what I'm saying? So that's good for him. He's getting a free headset. You know, he's happy. And then the headset person who ordered the Paddington one, I told her actually you could keep the headset, and I'll send you the Paddington board game on Monday. So to both of them, I told them I'm out on Monday. You know, I'm saying sometimes, you know, when you make a mistake, you know, you just gotta, you know, improvise. You know what I'm saying? So just to make sure, I want them both to be happy. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to get any bad feedback. You know what I'm saying? I already got some stupid bad feedback from AliExpress when I was dropshipping on my eBay, and that kind of my ratio is kind of low now. You know the positive feedback. It's not high no more. It's still above, you know, the 85. You know what I'm saying? But obviously I would like it to be like 98, 100. You know what I'm saying? But I'm working up there. You know, so any means possible, I have to get only good feedback. So try go the extra mile with your customer. You know, they'll leave a good feedback. You know, they can maybe say like, oh, he made a mistake with the order, but I'll give him a 5-star. Communication, everything 5-star, and he even gave me an iron for free. So I'll definitely recommend, you know, this seller. You get what I'm saying? Because when this happens, you want to work it out as quick as possible. You get what I'm saying? You don't want to be waiting them to message you and then you don't reply back for them after 5 days. You know what I'm saying? You made a mistake, so you got to fix it ASAP, fam. But that's the story, fam. That's the story for the eBay. Told you guys about the wholesale and the retail arbitrage. That was bad. Guys, listen here. I want to appreciate all of you for showing love every time, fam. You guys, hey, listen, you man. You guys know, yeah, I have love for all of you. Your watchers, subscribes, and everything. You get what I'm saying? Also liking, obviously liking as well. Come on. But fam, it really means a lot, man. We're almost at 1K, fam. Are you dumb? 1K. 1K. Never in a million years would I thought I'll be almost on 1K, fam. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just crazy, like the journey, you know, we're all on right now. Everyone who watches me, you know, probably does Amazon or has started a business or anything, you get what I'm saying, just to make a little bit of money. You get what I'm saying? Even me, I'm still doing this as a side hustle, and I love it. Like, to me, it doesn't feel like a job no more. When I'm going from retail arbitrage, doing wholesale, I love it. I love doing this, and you know, in the future, hopefully, you know, I can make this my full-time job. You know, hopefully, I'm gonna continue grinding. Everyone starts from somewhere. You get what I'm saying? The other day, actually, someone messaged me, said to me like, "Oh, is there a point of me starting right now, like Amazon FBA, selling on eBay?" And I was like, you can start anytime you want to start. The earlier for you is the better. You get what I'm saying? Like, if you want to start today, you can actually start today. Like, I don't know who says Amazon FBA is dead, eBay is dead. No, it's not. Like, you gotta, with me personally, I always like to try anything, you know, in life before if someone said like, oh, Amazon FBA is dead, I'm still gonna try Amazon FBA because I have to see it for myself. And that's actually one of the reasons why I started as well Amazon FBA, because a lot of people saying it's dead, and I've seen people making a lot of money from it. So I'm thinking like, I gotta just try. You know what I'm saying? Everything is about trying. If you love it, you stick to it. If you don't, try something else. But I appreciate all of you for sticking into the end of this video, fam. I appreciate you a lot, fam. And listen, guys, when I hit that 1K, I'm giving away 3 Secure the Bag hoodies, fam. Your boy is splashing. I'm splashing away to you guys, fam, for helping me, you know, reach there. And maybe I think I was gonna maybe start a live stream as well on YouTube. So if any of you do have any questions, you can just come in, ask me the question, and everything is live as well, so it's perfect. You know what I'm saying? If any of you got any questions, leave them down in the comments. And listen, guys, I always get back to you guys. You guys already know the vibe. I want us all to secure the bag. Been your boy Gani, and I'm out. Yes, sir.